This remote here is a 16-channel Simu remote. It operates a variety of different motors. There are several commands that you can make on this. First off, you notice the LCD screen. You can change your channels or your shutter by using these side arrows here, going up or down depending on how many shutters you have. Once you find the selected shutter you'd like, for this instance it's number 1, you can command the shutter with these 3 buttons. You have a down button, which will send the shutter all the way to the ground. You have an up button, which will send the shutter all the way up. And you also have a stop button that you can hit at any time the shutter is moving. On the back here, you have access to the batteries. These are just AAA batteries. You can use whatever battery you like in case you need to change the batteries. I hope this helps.